So when we talk about climate change, we often picture distant events like melting ice caps or rising sea levels. But for millions of people in low and middle income countries, the effects are much closer to home, shaping how individuals live, work, and feed their families. Take farmers, for example. Many can no longer grow what their parents did. Rains come too early or too late, or not at all. Salt water seeps into the soil and fertile land becomes increasingly scarce. Agriculture, the backbone of those communities, is under immense stress. Adaptation means finding ways to address this new reality. In wealthy countries, the focus is often on cutting emissions, but in poorer countries, the pressing challenge is learning how to cope with the damage that is already here and is getting worse. One of the most powerful ways to adapt is through migration. When a family member moves to a city or abroad, they often send money home. Now, in most developing countries today, those remittances exceed aid and foreign direct investment. Migration can absolutely transform a family's prospect. But climate change also creates a cruel reality. As farms fail and income drops, the desire to migrate grows, but the ability to migrate shrinks. And when families are trapped, desperation can lead to what we call bad adaptation, taking on predatory loans that lock people into years of work to repay debt that never shrinks. Others might pull their kids from work and from school into work or marry their daughters off at a young age to ease financial pressure. And that's why governments and the international community have such an important role to play. They can make good adaptation possible. They can expand access to credit to finance migration, legalize regional migration, and protect people on the move from exploitation. Now, of course, not everyone wants to leave home. For those, we can invest in agriculture research to develop drought and flood-resistant seeds, and we can strengthen early warning systems. Because in the end, how we adapt to climate change will shape not only our economies, but also of shared humanity. Thank you.